Hello everyone, welcome to CBSE Maths. Today in this video we are going to solve exercise 10.3, 8th main question. In the 8th main we have a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So here we need to find out the speed of the given train. So we know there is a formula to find out distance. So distance is always calculated by the formula distance is equals speed into time. Let's consider the speed of the train as x kilometer and time as y hours. Here x is kilometer per hour and let's say that y as y hours. So distance it is given that it is equal to 360 kilometers. So 360 kilometer journey is traveled at the speed of x kilometer per hour in y hours. So this is our first equation, or in other words we can write it as y is equals to 360 by x. Let's say it as equation 1. Now it is given that if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, initial we consider the speed of the train as x kilometer per hour. So for the same distance 360 kilometers, if the speed of that train is 5 kilometer per hour more, that is if the speed is 5 kilometer per hour more, it means we have to add plus 5 to this initial speed. Then what happens? Then it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So whatever that train took at first, we have to subtract 1 hour less for that same journey. So if the speed is 5 km per hour more, then the duration of the journey is going to be 1 hour less than the initial duration or initial time, that is y minus 1. So in other words we can write this as y minus 1 is equals 360 by x plus 5, and let's shift this minus 1 to other side of the equal. Then we have y is equals 360 divided by x plus 5. This minus 1 becomes plus 1. Let's say it as equation 2. Now in the equation 1 we have y is equal 360 by x, and in the equation 2 we have y equals 360 by x plus 5 plus 1. Now in this equation 1 and equation 2 we have 360 by x is equals to y, and here 360 divided by x plus 5 plus 1 is also equal to y. So we can equate these two RHS. So by doing that we can write 360 by x equals 360 divided by x plus 5 plus 1. Now let's shift this 360 divided by x plus 5 to other side of the equal. Then we have 360 by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equals to 1. Let's simplify this one. So here we need to multiply it by x plus 5. Here we should multiply it by x. 360 into x we get to 360 x. 360 into 5 gives us 1800, and here minus 360 into x gives us negative 360x divided by x times x plus 5 equals to 1. Minus 360x plus 360x gets cancelled. Then what we have in the numerator is 1800 divided by x into x. We are going to have that x squared, x into 5 we are going to have that 5x equals to 1. Now by shifting this part to other side of the equal, we have x squared plus 5x into 1 gives us this much only, and also let's shift this 1800 to other side of the equal, then we have minus 1800 equals to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation, and let's simplify this with the help of that quadratic formula. The value of a is here 1, b is equals to 5, and the value of c is minus 1800. Now x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Let's substitute these values in this quadratic formula. Then we have x equals minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square, that is 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1800 divided by 2 into 1. So which gives us minus 5 plus or minus square root of the value of 5 square is 25, minus into plus gives us minus, minus into minus gives us plus. 18 fours are, we have 72, and those two zeros as it is divided by 2 times of a. Further simplification gives us minus 5 plus or minus square root of 7225 divided by 2 into value of that a is 1, so 2 into 1. Now we can write here minus 5 plus or minus square root of that 7225. It is the square root of 85 divided by 2. Now we have the value of x as minus 5 plus 85 by 2, or x equals minus 5 minus 85 by 2. Then we have the value of x as minus 5 plus 85, that is 80 by 2, or x equals, we get minus 90 by 2. So here we can write 2 ones are 2, 40s are 2 ones are here 2, 45s are. So we get the value of x as 40, or x equals minus 45. We know that speed of the train can't be in negative, so we have to consider the value of x, that is the speed of the train, as 40 kilometers per hour. So that train is traveling at 40 kilometers per hour. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.